Hello everyone, welcome back to Aroma Talks. So guys, I went to a doctor and then they did this urinary analysis and then they said to me I had a bladder infection, also known as a UTI. Oh well, I was shocked because I had no pain and then they wrote down antibiotics, but of course I never wanted to take antibiotics. So when I came back home, I did all my research online. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos because I wanted to find out what other people are doing for these UTIs. And guess what I found out? Something good, a natural remedy that really helped me. Oh yeah. Of course I knew lemongrass is good when it comes to, these pains, but of course I didn't know how to mix this and, other things just to come up with something concrete. But then I did, and I found out something beautiful that I would like to share with you guys today. So if you're really ready, don't go away. Let's just get started right now. Hey guys, so now we're here. These are some of the things that I use, and I'm gonna be showing you how I use each one of them. For example, we have our apple cider vinegar right here, which is unfiltered, with the mother. It's really good because drinking plenty of liquids will help flush out any bad bacteria from your urinary tract. So I'm gonna be showing you how I mix this with honey because I don't like the way it is alone. So drinking it alone is really not my thing. So what I do, I mix it with honey, like sweet things, sometimes with lemon, just to get some taste. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do that. And then another thing we have is a baking soda right here. It helps detoxify your kidneys, which stops the infection from spreading there and causing damage. So I'm gonna be showing you how I dissolve this and how I drink it. Then another natural remedy we have here is essential oils, of course, and then carrier oil. And carrier oil today I'm gonna be using coconut carrier oil. Then essential oils, we have lemongrass, which is well known for stomach pains, and then we have lavender, then we have clove essential oil, which is really good when it comes to infections. So clove and lavender, these two gonna help with the infections, and then lemongrass is gonna help with the pain. So guys, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna be showing you how I mix each one of them. So for the apple cider vinegar, I have my glass here, small glass. So I fill this with my water like this, and then I mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. But since my glass is small today, I'm gonna just use 1 tablespoon my apple cider vinegar right here. Okay, then I mix this, and then we have our honey right here as well. So for honey, I'm gonna just put this small spoon like this, and then I mix this all together. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this all together like this, guys. Together. And yeah, here we go. So how I drink this, I have my straw right here. I have my straw, stomach, I just drink this, and it's really good. And also it helps with weight loss. For example, if you're there struggling with the weight loss, you should give this a try. It helps. So pretty sure I'm gonna be doing that in my near future videos, because I tried it and it helped me with my weight loss. So I'm gonna be talking about that as well. So another one is baking soda. So I have my glass right here. This size. So what I do, I fill it with water. And then I just put 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, yeah. Then I mix this all together. Baking soda, water, and then I also drink this like in the morning on an empty stomach without like for eating anything. So guys, mix this all together. So yeah, and then I drink this. For this I don't need a straw because yeah, the taste is really okay. So I drink this and yes. So our final remedy today, which is essential oils and carrier oils. I have my carrier oil already here in this small glass. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some drops of lemongrass essential oil. Then I add some drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender. And then I add some drops of clove essential oil as well. Okay, and then I mix this all together. I use my small tiny spoon right here. I mix this all together. And now here is our remedy. Now we just have to apply it. So all you need is a couple of taps like this. And you're going to apply it to your skin and then rub it in. So I'm not gonna show you guys exactly where because I feel that's not appropriate for you too, but I'm gonna be showing you over my clothes. So rub it in, back and forth or across, and yeah, I should do this actually every half an hour. Pretty sure it's gonna help you guys. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. You should give this a try if you're there struggling. Really, it's gonna help you because it does help me. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna also help you. So guys, if you really liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next time. Give it a try, take it easy, feel good. Bye bye.